Hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine and swing on in my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I want to sit there and show you just how easy it is to do a fake out, take out, and we're going to be doing it all in our what? In our crock pot. That's right, we're going to be rocking out with our crocks out, making a fake out, take out, chili cheese dog of A&W's. So, grab a hold of that vine and let's get cooking. Good looking. Ready to rock out with your crock out again today? Well, let's go ahead and let's get started. What you're gonna need is 1 pound of ground beef. Now, I'm gonna sit there and go ahead and I'm gonna pre-brown my ground beef. Now, while our ground beef is pre-browning for us, let's go ahead and get started on the rest of the Coney Island sauce. You're going to be needing 1 12-ounce jar of salsa. Well, I'm going to be using my homemade. Okay, I opened it up and let's go ahead and add that right in to our crock pot. 1 tablespoon of sugar and add that. Add 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon of dried minced onion. You're going to want 2 teaspoons of the chili powder. Well, I'm going to use some chili pepper instead. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. A teaspoon of celery seed. Teaspoon of cumin. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to mix all them ingredients up. Okay, while we're still waiting for our ground beef, go ahead and put yours, I'm going to cook mine on high for 2 hours, or you could put yours on low and cook it for 4 hours. You decide which way you're going to go. Okay, I'm going to bring the ground beef over. And I'm going to sit there and go ahead and add all the ground beef. Now, let's give it a good stir inside the crock pot again. So now, I'm going to take our hot dogs. We're going to throw them all in. Again, give it all a good stir. And then we're going to put the cover on. Okay, I have some diced up onion on my cutting board here. There's our chili dogs. I have our little bake out, take out basket here. I have a little cute little liner that we're going to put down on the inside. I'm going to grab my hot dog bun. Okay, I have our hot dog bun down inside. Now, I'm going to sit there, grab one of these hot dogs, lay it down in our bun. I'm going to grab our spoon. I'm going to grab some of this chili. We're going to put that down along the top of our bun. I'm just going to add just a little bit more. Now, I'm just going to take some of these onions. We're going to sprinkle them down on top.
And from where I'm from, we believe in using a good amount of cheese. And there you go. Your fake out, take out chili cheese dog. Now, if you like what you saw here today, go ahead, give me a big old thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber yet to my channel, please go up above, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And seasons eatins, y'all. Y'all come back now, you hear? And Happy New Year.